Hello everyone, welcome to my Marie Rose cosplay makeup tutorial. Over the summer, I debuted her in a bikini from Shein, inspired by the blue polka dot one that she has. I plan on cosplaying more versions of Marie Rose in the future, so stay tuned. Based off of her look in Dead or Alive, I aspired for a peachy neutral glam, and honestly, I'm obsessed with how it turned out. I start by wearing blue lenses in a realistic style. Then prime my face. I apply foundation all over with a damp sponge until I'm happy with the coverage. Then I use the sponge with loose powder to set my face. As you can see, I'm pretty generous with the powder. If it's not all over my shirt, then I didn't use enough. I contour my nose for some definition. Then apply a light peachy blush to my cheeks in large sweeping motions. Since Marie Rose kinda has a full bang moment, I'm not pressed on the brows, so I quickly fill in mine with blonde mascara. I apply a light brown eyeshadow all over my lid and down the lower lash line, making sure to blend at the crease and edges. I mix a couple shades that are bright and glittery, then apply them to my inner corner and halfway down my lower lash line. I use black eyeshadow to line my upper lash line and the outer half of my lower lash line, making sure they connect at the outer corner. I tightline with a black eyeliner pencil, then clean up the waterline with a nude pencil. Apparently, this is a lip liner. News to me. Then I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. I finish the eyes with a pair of false lashes in a slightly voluminous, natural style. Then I clean off my lips and apply a peachy nude gloss. I love this one. I think it's so pretty and it has glitter for that extra shine. I apply generous amounts of setting spray to lock everything in place, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. And while you're at it, tell me who's your favorite Dead or Alive girl. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. And of course, subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay and other fun things. Be sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me. And until next time, please take care and stay well.